Patrick.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Texting my mom.
What's she saying?
Well, I lied to my mom and said that we were leaving yesterday. And I forgot my lie and told her we're driving home right now. And now she said, I thought you left yesterday. And I don't know what to say. Any suggestions?
Why'd you lie?
I don't know. For no apparent reason. So, I know.
It's a tough one.
It's a tough one. I don't know.
You should just send her this video.
She doesn't get videos.
Oh, but she could. I'll send you the video, then you forward the video to her email. Do you get it? We can do it. Why'd you lie?
Because I'm a big, fat, stinking liar.
You lie all the time for no reason. Why do you do that? You should tell your mom about that.
About what?
That you lie all the time.
I
And
don't.
never to believe you except about moving out. That's it. Baby.
What?
So can we send this to her?
No.
Why?
I don't want to.
Tell her you're sorry.
I'm sorry, Mom.
A real heartfelt apology.
Mom, I'm sorry. I lied.
Okay, so tell her why you lied, because that's what she wants. She's gonna want to know.
I lied for no reason. I don't know why I did. Oh, I did it because I didn't want you to. I don't know.
Because you didn't want her to. Come on, just say it.
I lied because I know you don't like me spending money. So I wanted you to think that I wasn't.
Can't be mad at that. Alright, so we're gonna send it to her. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.